Cleo and FloatMe both offer cash advance options, but approval speed depends on whether your account meets each app's requirements and how quickly your information can be verified. By the end, you'll know how Cleo and FloatMe compare on approval speed, what can delay access, and what to check before choosing either app. The biggest factor affecting approval is eligibility. Neither app approves every user instantly because both need information to determine whether you qualify for their services. Cleo uses information connected to your account and financial activity to determine available features. FloatMe also reviews account information and eligibility details before showing what options are available to you. The first thing that affects speed is connecting your account correctly. If your information is incomplete or needs additional verification, the process can take longer. Check that your linked account details are accurate before starting an application. The second factor is whether you already qualify. A user who has completed setup and has access to available features may have a different experience from someone creating a new account for the first time. The third factor is the type of access you need. Both Cleo and FloatMe are designed for short-term cash needs, but the available options shown inside each app depend on your personal account details. If you are comparing Cleo and FloatMe because you need money quickly, do not only compare the app names. Open each app, complete the eligibility steps, and compare the actual offer and timing shown for your account. Cleo may be a better fit for someone who already uses its financial tools and qualifies for available cash features. FloatMe may work better for someone who prefers its specific advance process and meets its requirements. The fastest option is usually the one where your account is already verified and your eligibility is already confirmed. A new user may have a different experience because more setup steps may be required. Before accepting any advance, review the repayment details and any costs shown in the app. Getting access quickly matters, but understanding the terms matters too. The next step is simple. Check your eligibility in both Cleo and FloatMe and compare which one gives you access first. If this comparison helped you understand Cleo versus FloatMe approval speed, like the video and subscribe for more money app comparisons.